Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 27 beta update. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you will need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So if you go to the settings and go to the general right here and go to the software update, you won't see an option to download iOS 27 beta. So first of all, we'll need to do a special step. So follow me. Close the settings and open the browser. Here in the search bar you need to type the developer Apple. So type the Apple developer and click on the first website, developer.apple.com. So now we will need to sign in on this website to our Apple ID. So click on the sign in button in the top right corner. And as you can see, I can sign in with passkey, you can sign in with your email. I will just use my passkey, and as you can see I'm signing in, and here you will be, if you log in for the first time on the Apple developer, you will be asked to agree to a certain agreement. You will need to agree, and that is basically it. Now you can close the browser and go back to the settings. Now if we just go back to the general once again, click on the software update, we will see that a new option appeared, beta updates. If we click on it, we will see different iOS versions, beta versions available for us to download. We will need to click on the iOS 27 developer beta and go back, and here we will see the iOS 27 beta that we can update right now. And basically that is it. That is how we can download and install iOS 27 beta early. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe.